Number 5. Okay, so I'll just jump in on this one. Number 5 is huge for me, is involving your family in the business. And this is something we've done recently. I've had my daughter work here, but beyond just having the day-to-day, work with kids or whatever, it's sharing your business with your wife, with your loved ones, what's going on. Like the other day, my daughter, she commented on a YouTube video. Shout out to you, Millie. But it's when I was first starting my business, I kept everything to myself. Like here, and I still struggle with that. It's like,
Go it alone.
yeah, go it alone. But I would just, because part of me was like, well, I want to forget about work when I come home or whatever. But the reality is you're going to have a richer business if you involve your family. If you're talking to your family about your business,
Oh, yeah.
if you're involving them with ideas, if you can get your kids to work for you, that's a huge thing
Well, it's
too.
usually what you're doing your business for,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. So to involve your family in your business, make them part of it, and that's something I'm really still working
Yeah.
towards. But you have younger kids that can't necessarily work in the business. So how do you try to involve your family with the business?
We talk about it all the time, I try and bring them
Mm-hmm.
into the office every now and then so
Yeah.
they can see what I'm doing,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
understand what dad does, Me
Yeah.
and my wife talk about it all the time. My wife
Uh-huh.
does her own business too, so we're
Yeah.
always trying to communicate, and that's one thing that we've tried to be better at, because we always kind of struggled with that, right? She did her
Mm-hmm.
thing, I did my thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we'd come together as a family and do our stuff as a family, but it was always kind of like we
Mm-hmm.
just never agreed on certain things, And
Mm-hmm.
the funny thing about it is it goes back to that being present thing,
Mm-hmm.
is that I don't have to agree with all the way that my wife runs her business, and she doesn't
Yeah.
have to agree with how I run my
Exactly.
business.
Yeah.
But it is great to be able to tell her how I'm running my business and how I
Yeah.
am doing things,
Yep.
and then to have her listen to that, and then vice versa,
Mm-hmm.
me too, and it really opens it up, and it makes you feel like you're not going through that journey just by yourself or with those that you're working with. You're going through it with the people that you're actually spending the rest of your life with.
Mm-hmm.
And it feels like it encompasses everything by having your family involved with it.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, could you do me a huge favor and like this video? Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got tons of great content there. And if you want to connect with us on social media, check out the links in the description, and we look forward to seeing you there.